Hi guys, it's Tara, and today I will be opening some Angry Bird dog tags. I am super excited about these dog tag fun packs. So it has one dog tag, one ball chain, plus stickers and a checklist. Very cool. And I got these at my local Target for 99 cents. So make sure to check your trading card section for a box that's marked now 99 cents. They're kind of hidden, so you gotta really check it really carefully, but I managed to get the last 4 that they had, so I'm super excited. Hopefully no duplicates. Crossing my fingers. And this is series 1. Oh, cool. It's a pink one. So cool. Oh, it has the back of the bird on it. That is funny. This is called Yellow Bird, one of 20. Cute stickers. So here is all of the different ones you can get. So the one I have is this one. Don't know if I have a preference. I kind of like the bluebird one. I think I like the circle ones more than those ones, but I'd take any of them. All right, so 1 down, 3 more to go. Oh, cool. It's like a Santa red bird and some fruit with the yellow bird. Another checklist. It's a bluebird! Yay, at least I got it in this shape. 14 of 20. Sweet. Very cool. This one looks to be this shape as again, and this one same. So the rest of them I don't think are circles. Oh man, I got duplicate. Darn it. Oh well. Oh, I forgot to check the stickers. Oh cute. At least they're different stickers. Alright. It's white. Alright, so I got 3 different ones. That's not too bad. Oh, cool. Get the lemonade guy. That is so funny. Aw, and it has like all of them. Cool. So I got the egg, the yellow bird, and the bluebird. These are really shiny. I really like them. I think my favorite one is the bluebird, so thankfully that is the one I got duplicates of. Let me know what you guys think. Well, thanks guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for more blind bag videos and other toy related videos. You guys are the best viewers ever. Bye now!